Oh, rip that body. That's okay. Look over the shit, look over there. And rip and turn. No, sir, no, sir. No, sir. You throwing punches, you got hit your elbow up there where your shoulder. Get down, man. Bend them knees when you go into the side. Just like a jab. Show the cheekbone when you throw in the hook. Now you winging it. You're not giving no hip power to it. Let me demonstrate. Okay. Down here where his body is. Turn and rip. Okay? Not the second one, the first one. You're punching under your shoulder and leaving your head way up here. Bend the knees and bend the flanks. Slow motion. I'm showing. I just want to show you. Okay? Give me the jab. Give me the hook. There you go. You peeping over there. Give it to him. Turn again. There you go. You gotta get it up under that. Do it again. Jab. Okay. All right. There you go. Your head is hitting. Okay. Good it up. Turn and rip that up. Get up under. Get that elbow up there. Get that elbow up there where your shoulder is. That's how you go. And bend your knees when you go into the box. Punch down there, keep your head way up there. Alright, circle on the bottom, like you get that hook. Do it fast if you ain't got to worry about it hitting, but if you do it real correct, you're going to drop it. You're going to dig to that body.
Okay, you have to fight.
You wing it.
Right now, slow it down.
You winging it. Your head is still right here. Get it out of the line of fire. The same as if I'm still punching this towards you. Right. Get the elbow. You ain't up under that, okay? What about those? There you go. See how you got up under that? If you throw a jab, go up there.
Right now, just for right now.
Once you get in that space, you hit down to the dance. All right, come on, give me that hip power. Rip it, baby. Suck it off. You got a good punching range. You don't want to be in the punching range. You can get it on the bag.
I ain't going to fake the girl, but once you start hitting, you know what I'm saying, tap it, just see how it moves. So it's going to get rid of it. Tap it, okay, cool. See how it moves. Now I'm showing the corporate right here. You know what I'm saying? Boom. See what I'm saying? So So that's how it's done. It gives you that back and forth to where, like I'm telling you, because if me and you here, I'm kind of throwing it out there, you know what I'm saying? You know, if you take this, same difference. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Pretty cool. Boom. And I got that distance. Okay. Wow. So now, you know what I'm saying? Now I got that distance. Like I say, don't score it off there. Just trying to hit it. See what it do. See what it do. Now you kind of gauge it. Boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? Boom. You know what I'm saying? So you have to throw that.
How's your brother coming along?
He coming along good. I talked to him yesterday.